Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to set the date and time manually on a Citizen satellite wave manual number F150. First step is to pull the crown once to position 1 and turn the crown clockwise and anti-clockwise to face your current city. I will face my watch to New York City. Second step is to press and hold the upper right button for a few seconds until the second hand moves to the 30 position, and then pull the crown to position 2. Rotate the crown clockwise and anti-clockwise to set the minutes of your current time. Once you are done, press the lower right button and now use the crown, rotate the crown to set the hour. While you are rotating the crown, pay close attention to the date, which will tell you if you are in the morning, AM or PM. Basically, if the date change, you are now in the morning time. Press the lower right button one more time and now turn the crown to set your date. Press the lower right button one more time and now it's time to set the year and months. Basically, we're gonna use this table that I prepared to turn the crown and hence the second hand to face one of these positions. For example, for May 2019, it's at the 28th minute mark, so we're gonna turn the second hand to the 28th minute mark. Once you are done, you're gonna press again on the lower right button and turn the crown to set the day of the week. To finish, push the crown back to the 0 position. Thank you for watching and please subscribe to my channel.